Get noticed in this 2005 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you. That responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, ventilated disc brakes, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.